We're on the record in cause numbers 326672, cause number 327094, and cause number 327544. All three cases are styled the state of Texas versus Joseph Nichols Fuselier. Mr. Fuselier, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Fuselier, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Fuselier, you may put your hand down. How you doing, Mr. Fuselier?
I'm great. How you doing, Judge Holmes?
I'm doing fine. Mr. Fuselier, as a defendant in a criminal case, you have three options. Number one, you may hire an attorney. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
Number two, if you do not have enough money to hire an attorney, you may request an attorney be appointed to represent you. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
And number three, you may represent yourself. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
If you want an attorney to represent you and have enough money to hire an attorney, the case will be reset to give you time to do so. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you want an attorney and do not have the money to hire one, you will need to fill out a financial questionnaire so that the proper person can determine whether or not to appoint an attorney to represent you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You may not speak to the prosecutor about your case unless you sign a written waiver of your right to be represented by an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Be aware that there are dangers to self-representation. Waiving your right to an attorney and representing yourself may result in a worse outcome for you and your case, including the loss of significant legal rights and opportunities relating to military service, possession of a firearm, housing and public benefits, child custody, immigration status for non-citizens, and employment. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you choose to proceed without an attorney, you may change your mind at any time and may request counsel from the court. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, if your choice is rather, I want to reset this case to hire an attorney, your case will be reset. Or if your choice is, or if you tell the court that you have hired an attorney, then your case will be reset and your attorney will be contacted concerning that reset date. Or if you want to apply for court appointed counsel, you would have to fill out a financial questionnaire. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Or if you have a court appointed attorney, then that attorney will be contacted and given a copy of your reset date. And finally, if you want to waive your right to an attorney and represent yourself, please inform the court that that is your choice. And then you would have to sign a written waiver that is on State's Exhibit number 1. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Fuselier, what is your choice?
I want to represent myself.
Okay, now, Mr. Fuselier, I will read to you the waiver that is included in State's Exhibit number 1. And it reads, I have been advised this day by the court of my right to representation by counsel in the case pending against me. I have been advised and understand that if I am determined to be indigent, counsel will be appointed to me free of charge, understanding my right to have counsel appointed to me free of charge. If I am found to be indigent, I wish to waive that right and request the court to proceed with my case without an attorney being appointed for me. I specifically waive my right to be represented by an attorney, to consult with an attorney before I give up these enumerated rights. It is my decision to represent myself, and I do so knowing the dangers and disadvantages of self-representation. I further elect not to request appointment of counsel. Mr. Fuselier, is that true and correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Fuselier, I'll give you an opportunity to talk to the prosecutor. I will get off